Hi, I am Apurva Sheth, and in this video I am going to tell you how MOSDEX or Margin of Safety Index can help you identify best entry and exit opportunities from mutual funds. So whenever you want to invest in a mutual fund, you must log into your RankMF account and see whether the fund sahi hai ya nahi hai. So RankMF rates each and every fund with a thumbs up or thumbs down rating depending on the quality of its portfolio. So if the portfolio quality is good, then the fund will get a thumbs up rating, and if the portfolio quality is bad, then it will get a thumbs down rating. So you must avoid all the mutual funds which get a thumbs down rating. So once you have identified a fund with a thumbs up rating, you must then move on to the time to invest. Timing is very crucial out here. Now let me ask you this. If you want to buy a mobile phone, what is the time that you would buy it? Obviously when it is available at a good discount, right? So you have to follow the same thing while buying a mutual fund as well. So to help you with this, RankMF has come up with a MOSDEX score or Margin of Safety Index, like I said earlier. So MOSDEX acts just like the discount. So higher the MOSDEX value means higher is the discount. So whenever you see a higher MOSDEX value, that's the time that you must go ahead and buy the mutual fund. Now MOSDEX ranges between 40 and 160, and depending on where the MOSDEX value is, we recommend you various things. So you can double up your investment when you see a MOSDEX value of 105. Now if the MOSDEX value is between 90 and 105, that means that the fund is fairly priced and you can continue with your investments. And if you see a MOSDEX value in the range of 80 to 90, that means that the fund is slightly overpriced and it's not available at a great discount. So that's the time when you must park your money in a liquid fund and wait for the right opportunity to invest in this particular fund. And in case if you see a MOSDEX value of less than 80, that means that the fund is very richly valued, and this is the time to avoid this particular fund completely, and for that matter it might be even a good idea to book out of this particular mutual fund because it is extremely richly valued. So the scope for higher returns are lesser. So this is how MOSDEX values can help you identify better entry and exit opportunities in mutual funds. Now MOSDEX value plays an important role in Smart SIP feature of RankMF. To know more about Smart SIP and other features of RankMF which uses MOSDEX values, you can see our other videos and even log into our website. You can even download our app from the Play Store or App Store and log into RankMF to see how MOSDEX values make a difference. So that's all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.